If you have owned a DTF printer for any amount of time, you know managing your white ink is a really big deal. Purchasing a DTF printer with a system to manage your white ink is critical to your success. That's because white and CMYK DTF inks are formulated differently. We receive a lot of questions here at LWG regarding white DTF ink. So for this edition of LWG DTF FAQ, we ask, what makes white DTF ink different? So why is white ink required in DTF printing? Well, CMYK inks are translucent. On dark garments, colors disappear without a white base layer. White ink acts like a primer paint. It creates an opaque foundation. CMYK colors print on top of it. Without white ink, for instance, yellow on black fabric would look muddy or even invisible, and colors in general lose their vibrancy. In order to produce a bright and opaque white and a rich, vibrant final print, white DTF ink contains a compound called titanium dioxide. Titanium dioxide is an extremely bright white mineral powder used to make things white and opaque. It's the main whitening ingredient in white DTF ink, white paint, sunscreen, toothpaste, paper, plastics, cosmetics, even food coloring in some countries. It works because it reflects light incredibly well. That's why it appears bright white, solid, and opaque. Imagine microscopic white mirrors suspended in liquid. When light hits titanium dioxide particles, the light scatters in every direction. Very little light passes through, and your eyes see a solid white surface. That's why DTF ink can cover black fabric. Titanium dioxide is dense and heavy compared to the pigments used in CMYK inks. Even with stabilizers added, gravity slowly pulls those particles downward. Think of it like muddy water settling in a bucket. White DTF ink is constantly trying to stratify into heavy pigment at the bottom with a lighter carrier fluid at the top. That's why white ink systems require circulation, agitation, periodic shaking, recirculation pumps, and a white ink maintenance routine. How long does it take white DTF ink to separate? It starts immediately after the ink stops moving. Here's a typical separation timeline. In 15 to 30 minutes, you'll notice minor settling. After 1 to 2 hours, there's going to be a noticeable density change possible. Overnight, we start to see significant settling in lines and tanks. After several days, we have thick sediment and sludge formation, and after several months, you're going to have hard packed pigment that may not fully remix. How to prevent white DTF ink from separating. Number 1, continuous circulation. This helps keep titanium dioxide particles suspended. Number 2, agitate ink daily. Number 3, print white every day. Even a small nozzle test helps. This refreshes dampers, it moves settled pigment, and it reduces clogging. Number 4, maintain proper temperature. Between 68 and 77 degrees is recommended. Cold ink can separate faster, and hot environments can destabilize ink chemistry. Number 5, use fresh ink. Older white ink becomes unstable, so always check your shelf life dates. And number 6, clean the white ink system regularly. White ink leaves residue everywhere. Check your dampers, your capping stations, your print lines, and your print heads themselves. Understanding what makes white DTF ink unique is critical to understanding why it requires diligent attention and maintenance. However, with understanding and daily maintenance, your white ink systems and your DTF printer as a whole will continue to produce the highest quality transfers your machine is capable of.